I saw this lady, she talks about YouTube growth and strategies too. That particular month, she made $400. And when you convert that $400 to Naira, please do the conversion wherever you are. Do that conversion and tell me if just that will not motivate you to come and do something. Besides money, you see by the time you start this, you see how something maybe you started for content will turn out to be impactful. How many of you know Bakara, this content creator and wife on Facebook, how they started content creation and all of that, and you know their first daughter, I think she has palsy, is that what they call it? So at the end of the day, these guys built or started a foundation for children or people that have cerebral palsy. Okay, now if they didn't start creating content, would they have, even with trolls that people were giving them, would they have ever imagined starting a foundation for people who have palsy, cerebral palsy? They wouldn't. So nothing is going to work for you out there if you're just sitting and saying, oh my god, it's not working. No, wow, like, no, my dear, you have to sit up, you need to stand up and do it. I mean, are you not tired of suffering? But sure, everyone knows what's motivating them. They have God to make proud of. Like, I want at the end of the day, like, him seeing that the breath he gave to me was not a waste of time. Because by the time you start having money, you will see reason to help one or two persons around you. Yes. And God can even trust you more with more resources. That's just how money works. Let me tell you, when you have and you are actually putting it into something resourceful, definitely more is going to be coming back to you. Because God is saying that, yes, this person is making good use of what I'm giving her. So he'll give you more. But when you don't have, how do you expect to have? So come on, guys. This is day 3 and we are talking on how to stop doubting your gift. Okay, some of you out here, you have you can speak well, you speak so good, you have this aura, like when you speak, audience, everybody is calm, people listen to you, people just pay attention. But how are you going to figure that out when you don't put out your phone camera, when you don't press that record? Let me sound like Sean Cannell of Think Media. How are you going to figure out that you have that gifting of counseling? Like, you can give godly advice to people, and when they work with it, it makes, it changes them, it impacts them. How are you going to figure that out if you're just sitting down and saying, this YouTube thing is not working? I've been posting, I've been on YouTube for how many years, and it's just not working. See, there is this lady, what's her name? Sonia, yes, Vibe with Sonia. There's this lady, Vibe with Sonia. I'm going to be calling their names because these are people that when I watch their videos on YouTube, it motivates me, because they'll come and tell you their stress, like their own struggles. By the end of the day, Vibe with Sonia said she quit her job. She was working there before until she started, until she monetized her YouTube channel and started making money. Vibe with Sonia, at least some of her videos I have personally seen, she makes nothing less than $500 every single month. Like, every single month that YouTube is going to pay her. For the ones I've seen, maybe there are days she might have made less, and of course I know there are days she made more. How are you going to know that you even have a gift when you don't start? And I know some of you out there, you might be confused on the niche you're going to talk about and all of that. Just spend some time in the place of prayer, then experiment. What are you actually interested in? What really motivates you? During that lockdown period, everybody was at home. My sister and I were just binged on YouTube. We were watching people's lifestyle and all this. And at the end of the day, when everybody was in the house crying, no money, no this, people were putting out content and still making money. There are people that didn't even feel that lockdown. At the end of every video, we profess to ourselves, yes, in the name of Jesus, you call your name, I, Zax Onyekere Olaji Precious. By on or before the end of this 100 days challenge, my YouTube channel is going to be monetized. But it's not a bad thing by the time you enter into next year, you start making money for yourself. It's not a bad thing, you know. Don't wait till you are perfect. You have that gift. Don't feel like, oh, I don't have the gift. I don't know what you come and talk about. No, darling, you have the gift. You know what to talk about. Just take your time, pray about it, then use Chat GPT. Tell Chat GPT maybe the kind of things you're interested in, suggest for you based on your records or data that ChatGPT has. I mean, you use ChatGPT to search, oh, what's this. So based on your records, your conversations with ChatGPT, it can also suggest some things to you. Okay, so don't just sit down there and say nothing's working. It must work. Okay.
Goodbye.